channel. So today I'm going to do a footwork. I'm making a new steps for Solea. Renew everything and different kind of air I want to have. So I'm gonna show you the footwork that I'm making. It's actually simple, and I'm uploading videos regularly, and I'm really answering to people if they have questions or if they want me to do something. So please subscribe and just ask me questions, or in general share with me the stories about what you have been, experiencing, feeling about flamenco, or in general. Okay? Really do many things. I only do a few things. People might be wondered, like really, but actually really what I've been showing and sharing on this video with you guys, that's only technique I have, and that's what I normally do. The simple footwork, do you remember the simple footwork? You can check my videos. And Sevilla, the intensive tapping. And the other day I did the flamenco footwork practice. From there I do my steps, okay? So trust me, do what I share with you, the steps, and you can make not a lot of things. You can make good footwork for yourself, escobilla part, okay? The most important thing is do the same step again and again and again and again. Just don't go to lots of things, because you can see that you have a lot of things. It's cool, but to me, or for me, it just, I want to hear the sabor, like a taste, or just feeling, a lot of feeling. And for me, I'm not really a lot of things person. So I don't really get message if there are lots of cool things. It's just maybe for me, but that's what I think, Anyway, so to do the same step again and again and again, and then it will look, it will have intensity in your dance, in your baile, no? A lot of people do marcaje, but marcaje, you see the difference, when people do it again. And the step is the same as well. I've been doing the same step for many years now, Maybe I renew it sometime, now, I'm gonna renew it because I feel like it's time to change, or not change, just fancy some kind of different air. So again and again and again, if you see a video of Manuel Carrasco, or big people Faluca and that kind of people, the dancers, they do same steps, but it's just different sentido. That you can do the same step, but different in palo, no? You can do it in alegría, same step, Solea probabilidad, solea, but we have to change the sentido, no? If you're doing a lot of time and you understand your steps, doing again, then eventually you will be able to explain to people, and the result of that is to be able to explain to your audience, the people who are watching you, you understand. Yeah, so when I was doing a lot of choreography, after that I stopped doing it and just doing the same step again and again in practice that one I shared. That's super important, okay? I'm not gonna do a lot of things, I'm just gonna do what I have and it will be the same, but just different taste, and that's my steps now, yeah? Okay, so you might be wondering, like, okay, I'm not like really choreographed person, I'm not really, then what do you teach, no? I do teach like how to improvise yourself, or how to make your own steps, or of course for beginners, like I show like super easy steps, like simple one. I do simple one still now. It's just like if it goes like quicker or not, it's the same still. And also I'm trying to get their personality. Like I don't want them to copy me at all, nothing, because it's so beautiful when they have their style and their colors. It's like everyone, no? Like the people are like that, no? I think like the person, if they are natural and they're true to themselves, it's so beautiful. Nothing can beat. Okay, so remember that and try to get your style and try to get really do the same things again, and you will have a really good taste. Also doing Instagram and Facebook. Facebook is for Flamenco Benalmadena, and Instagram is Asami Ikeda, Asami Benal. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put the link here. Okay, I'm gonna write it down here. And Facebook, if you watch my video and you want to be friend with me, I will accept, but can you send me message please, because I don't really like accepting people's if I don't know people. But if people want to follow me because of the video, or in just general, but send me message. If not, I don't really accept people. Okay, it's nice to share things. I share about footworks mostly in Instagram, and Facebook is more personal, like my family, children, and like sometimes about flamenco. So yes, okay, send me message and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.